In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change region on iPhone 16, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage the language and region settings on your iPhone 16, regardless of the version that you have. So the standard one, the Pro, Pro Max, and so on. It is going to work for any of them. So all that you have to do is access the settings on your device. Open the settings, and the category that you are looking for is going to be general. So usually it is going to be on this third major conjunction of categories. So choose general from the list, and inside of general you will find language and region. So this is where you will be able to primarily change the region settings on your device. Immediately upon going into region, you will find the main option here at the top. So if all you want to do is change the region for this device, choose the option at the top. Alternatively, you can individually customize your calendar, your temperature, measurement system, first day of the week, date format, and then number format. You will see everything displayed at the bottom with an example of how it looks, but primarily all that you have to do is select the region from here. And immediately upon changing it, everything will be reflected across your device and all apps. You can also add new languages at the top, so usually the default one is going to be English, and you can add new ones, and you can manage this at any point. Alternatively, if you want to change the account settings for your iTunes account, then go into the settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, and you will also find the same region setting in there. This might change your App Store region, however, most of the time you will need to use a VPN depending on the circumstances. So if you just want to change the region in a basic way, just go over here, choose the option to change it from the general settings, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to change region on iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.